Update on my kitchen. This happened today. Running water. Give you a look around. So the kitchen's in. It's all been waxed. So you can see the light coming through the cupboard because the door's open. Got some drawers. Nice, all handmade out of recycled batten. Pallet even. Bit of pallet wood. Got another drawer down here. It's got my knives and forks and stuff in it. That's all been made from scratch. Oh, Mr. Carr. As you can see, still no insulation in the ceiling yet. I've been doing a lot of woodwork. Doing all little corners like this, getting all this nice and rounded. And oh yeah, look. We have a bed. A Stormtrooper in, well, Clone Trooper in a bed. There's my bed. Got a little cubby hole this side. A little shelf to put your mobile phone on. Ignore this because it's not been done yet. That's just there to support whilst the wood glue's going off. Got a little shelf in place. Always need a soup. What do we think? How are we liking the kitchen? Is it rustic enough? Is it a good use of pallets? I think so.